And look at this little dirty little dog's paws. He's been outside while I've been gardening, having a wonderful time. But guess what I'm going to do to him now? You are going in the bath, mate. And he's not going to like it. You ready? Come on, mate. I'll just... no! I want to wash you. Okay. I'm not very happy dog about going in the bath again. He's a lot older than the first video I did. Look at you, mate. Just so dirty. I know. But just using some Frankie and Friends dog shampoo. Give him a bit of a clean. Been a while since I've given him a bath actually, because I don't know, it's been a bit slack or something. Okay, what do you reckon, mate? He's like, yeah, get me out of here. Make you smell pretty. That's what happens when you're getting all the dirt. We reckon, mate. I'm going to give him a bit of a good rub. Alright. Wash it all off. Good boy, you're doing very well, really. Come on. Come on, mate. Come on. Come on. Come on. Out you come. Come on. You did it before. You are such a clever dog. The little one. Look at you, little one. Hey? Look at you. Look at you. You are ready to towel like a little baby. And there he is, my little Angie, all dry, all wrapped up like a little baby. What do you reckon, mate? Let me out of here, he says. At least you're nice and clean now. Be able to run around the house again. My little boy, 10 months old. Ready? Here he goes. Now he's going to go mad. Nah, not back out there where it's dirty. Nope, we're inside now. We've done our gardening. You're clean now, aren't ya? You're a clean boy, hey? Yes, you are.